Are you frustrated because an app isn't available in your current country? No worries. You just need to change your App Store region. Here's how to switch App Store regions tutorial. Important reminders before you start. Make sure to cancel any current subscriptions tied to your Apple ID. 2. Ensure your Apple ID has no remaining balance. Let's start changing App Store regions now. Open Settings and tap on your Apple ID. Select Media and Purchases. Tap View Account. Choose Country or Region. And tap Change the country or region. Select the country you'd like to switch to. For this example, I'm choosing the United States. Agree to the terms and conditions when prompted. Set payment method to none. Enter the address details for the new region. You can find address information online if needed. Once all the required information is filled out, click Next. Your App Store will automatically refresh, and the region, language, and settings will be updated. Download any app you want. If you ever want to switch back to your original region, just follow these same steps. Extra tip, if you can't change the region, try changing the location with your phone's location changer and try again. I provided a link to location spoofers in the description below if you need one. That's the complete guide on how to change your App Store region. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.